First is your EIN, which is your business federal tax ID. You saw earlier that Northwest can get this for you, and that's the easy route. But if you'd rather do it yourself for free, here's how it works when you don't have a social security number. The online IRS tool won't work for you, so instead, you'll use a one-page form called an SS4, and you can send it to the IRS via phone, fax, or regular mail. The fastest way to do this is by calling the IRS International line, and they can often give you your number right there on the call. You can call the IRS International line by dialing this number right here, and it's also going to be in the description. But if you prefer to fax it, you just fill out the SS4, and on the line that asks for a social security number, you simply write the word foreign. One quick heads up here, the IRS sometimes changes its fax numbers, so always grab the current one straight from the IRS website. I've linked the EIN page in the description, so it's easy to find. And if you haven't set up your LLC just yet, just head to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description. That's the correct page to do it the right way, and it locks in the lowest pricing available.